Hello, I'm Chef Jason, and welcome to the Great Australian Bite, where we share all things culinary, including history, stories, and recipes. So please don't forget to subscribe and join in on the adventure. Michelin stars are prestigious awards given by the Michelin Guide to restaurants that demonstrate exceptional culinary excellence. Anonymous inspectors evaluate establishments based on quality of ingredients, mastery of cooking techniques, harmony of flavors, consistency, and the chef's ability to express a unique culinary vision. Michelin stars are considered among the highest honors in restaurant industry and are recognized worldwide as a symbol of outstanding dining experiences. But where did it all begin? In 1900, brothers André Michelin and Edward Michelin published the first Michelin Guide in France. At the time, there were fewer than 3,000 cars in the country, so the guide was designed to encourage people to travel more, which would increase demand for tyres. It contained maps, repair information, fuel stations, hotels, and restaurant listings. In 1926, Michelin started awarding a single star to restaurants considered exceptional. By 1931, Michelin introduced the famous three-tier rating system still used today. 1 star meant a very good restaurant in its category. 2 stars, excellent cooking, worth a detour. And 3 stars, exceptional cuisine, worth a special journey. These definitions were formally published in 1936 and have remained largely unchanged. Michelin inspectors evaluate restaurants primarily on the quality of food and not decor, service, or luxury. The key factors include the quality of ingredients, the mastery of cooking techniques, harmony of flavors, consistency, the chef's personality expressed through the cuisine, which means that they are not simply copying another Michelin star restaurant's menu. Stars can be rewarded, retained, or removed during annual reviews. The Michelin Guide gradually expanded beyond France and to other European countries, eventually to North America and Asia. Today it covers thousands of restaurants across multiple continents and remains one of the most influential restaurant rating systems in the world. A fascinating detail is that the meaning of the stars reflects Michelin's original goal of encouraging travel. 3-star restaurant is literally considered worthy of making a special trip for. A Michelin star is one of the highest honors a restaurant can receive. It recognizes exceptional food quality, skill, and consistency. Earning a Michelin star can transform a restaurant's reputation. It attracts diners from all over the world, increases demand for reservations, and often boosts revenue. For chefs, receiving a Michelin star is a sign that their hard work, creativity, and dedication have been recognized at the highest level. Because Michelin inspectors evaluate restaurants using strict standards and anonymous visits, the award is highly respected throughout the culinary world. As a result, a Michelin star is considered a symbol of excellence and achievement in fine dining. Michelin stars have had a significant influence on world cuisine by shaping culinary standards, promoting innovation, and increasing global recognition for outstanding restaurants. One major impact is the establishment of higher standards for food quality and consistency. Restaurants seeking Michelin recognition often focus on exceptional ingredients, mastering cooking techniques, and delivering memorable dining experiences. This has encouraged chefs around the world to continually improve their craft. Michelin stars have also promoted culinary innovation. To stand out, many chefs have experimented with new flavors, techniques, and presentations. This creativity has helped drive trends in modern gastronomy and inspired chefs internationally. Another important impact on the global recognition of diverse cuisines, while Michelin originally focused on European dining, its guides now feature restaurants across Asia, North America, South America, and other regions. This has brought international attention to cuisines such as Japanese, Thai, Chinese, Mexican, and many others, helping local food traditions gain worldwide appreciation. Economically, Michelin stars can boost tourism and local economies. Food enthusiasts often travel specifically to dine at a Michelin star restaurant, benefiting hotels, transportational services, and other businesses in the area. However, the Michelin system has also faced some criticism. Some argue that the pressure to earn or maintain stars can create stress for chefs and restaurant staff. Others believe the guide has historically favoured certain styles of fine dining, though Michelin has broadened its coverage in recent years. Some have also said that currently the standard for three-star restaurants has dropped, as more and more three-star establishments appear. A Michelin star is a strong indicator that a chef and their restaurant are operating at a very high level, but does not automatically mean that someone is one of the world's top chefs. A few important points. Michelin stars are awarded to restaurants, not individual chefs. While the chef plays a major role, the award recognizes the restaurant's overall culinary experience. A chef who leads one, two, or three-star restaurants is generally considered highly skilled and respected within the industry. However, many outstanding chefs have never received a Michelin star because they work in regions not covered by the Michelin Guide, or they focus on casual dining, or choose culinary paths that do not align with Michelin's evaluation criteria. In the culinary world, a Michelin star is often considered one of the highest marks of excellence. A chef running a Michelin star restaurant is usually among the elite professionals in their field. But being a top chef can also depend on creativity, influence, leadership, cultural impact, and contributions to cuisine beyond the Michelin recognition. Overall, Michelin stars have become a global symbol for culinary excellence. They influence how restaurants operate, encourage innovation, promote cultural exchange through food, and help shape the evolution of world cuisine. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out our other content as well. This is Chef Jason, and don't forget, love is the secret ingredient.